Hey guys, it's Sterling W. I'm going to do a little experiment with my new scissor jack and my new impact wrench. Now, the fun part is that the new scissor jack has a 17mm bolt at the end, and my impact wrench does too. So I've already used my impact wrench to take off the lug nuts. I figured, why can't I use the impact wrench to use it on my new jack? So I could basically lift the car faster without having to use that tool. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and experiment, use this information at your own risk, but at the same time, please don't do this at home. I'm just doing this to experiment on my stuff. So I'm basically going to use my new jack and see if it, ruins my jack or not. So of course, please hit that like button and also subscribe. That would be great. It helps my channel a bit. And, let's go ahead and try it. So what I did was I did use the fast mode speed on my cordless impact wrench, and I used it at the 17mm, and it lifted it up pretty quick. Now it doesn't look like there's any impact or damage to the 17mm bolt on the edge, but you have to be really careful when you lower it because it goes really fast. So I just use it to save a lot of time, but at the same time it's pretty cool. I mean, it works, but I wouldn't use this all the time because it seems like it's kind of, it might ruin the jack or ruin the bolt or anything else like that. But for the lug nuts, it's fine, and everything else like that. So like I said, this is a great experiment, and like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.